Hey guys, I'm at the International Builder Show and we found an alien spaceship in the middle of the show. Actually, really what this is a skylight. So if you're looking for like an atrium or have something really big, got some people in the background over there so you can see how big this is. But what's really cool is this can go up and down. You see that there's a screen right there. So when you've got the stack effect in the building, you want to let some of that moisture out, you can open up this amazing skylight and it's going to let some of that moisture out, some of that heat out and whatnot. What's really cool is if you take a look over here, this is showing that the skylight in the closed position is actually waterproof. So there's water in there. You can kind of see that we're playing with the water here. That really is water. So it's got a nice tight seal. And the way this opens up and down, it looks like there is a remote control. So you can control this from the inside. So here's a sample of the remote control. So if you're in your bedroom and you've got one of these above your bed, basically push the buttons, it opens and closes it. And here's just another view of what it looks like. Pretty cool. Now this one's for display only. I do not believe it's got seats on it, so you're not going to sit on your roof, but looks like all the other features in there are part of what you're going to get for your house. Or looks like this is more for commercial, but you could use this on residential. You can see it's going up slowly right here. And when it opens up, you've got a vent right there, so you don't have to worry about bugs, birds, or whatever else getting through there. So there's a nice vent. Looks like it's pretty solid too. So nice screen all the way around. Goes up and down at your control with the remote control. So what do you guys think? This is a alien spaceship or is this something you're gonna put in your house? Hey, if you got value out of this, we've got full coverage from this year's show. Check out our tours of the new American home, the new American model, and all of our interviews from the show floor. For your convenience, all the playlists are right here. Don't forget to subscribe since we've got more coming.